Hey guys, if you are facing overheating problem on your Samsung Galaxy A56 phone, then today I will give you some troubleshooting tips so that you can go and leverage so that your overheating problem will be resolved. About the reasons, because overheating problem nowadays many smartphones facing. So just like a common cause like include high intensity task, fast charging, faulty chargers, high ambient temperatures. To consider all, guys, just go and try to check any background apps is running on your Samsung Galaxy A56 phone. So if your any background apps open, just go and close. And after that also, guys, you can just go and go to top and just swipe down from the top screen. And now, guys, you can go and turn off all the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So you can also do the from here, go to the settings, and now from the settings, guys, you can go and just hit on the connections, and from the connection just go and turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and turn off and NFC and contactless payment if you're not using at all. Just go and turn off. After that, guys, just go and check your overheating problem. Also, you can do just go to again connections, and now just come down and you can see the more connection settings option. Just go and hit, and after that, just guys, you can see the nearby device scanning. So this is also cause your overheating problem on your Samsung Galaxy A56 phone. Just go and turn off this option as well. So after that, guys, you just go and do the, you can see the reduce screen brightness. In your case, if it's a high screen brightness can draw a lot of power and heat up the device. So just go and set adjust. After that, guys, you can also check do you have any compatible charger, because guys, please ensure you are using a Samsung approved charger and cable only, because faulty chargers, incompatible accessory can cause also overheating problem. So also, guys, just go to settings, and the settings just try to find software update. So guys, is there any software update pending on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G phone? So because if you see here, in my case, already the last successfully updated already. Because make sure your phone software is up to date, as updates can include bug fixes that address overheating issues. So these are the troubleshooting steps to resolve your overheating issue, heating problem on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G phone. So that's all, guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.